Hey everybody, Paul with Fracture here. Today I want to talk a little bit about the packaging that we use for our glass prints. Now I know what you're thinking. Our company's name is Fracture and we ship glass prints all over the world. Something about that seems a little off. But here's the thing. Our packaging rocks. Not only do we have super low damage rates, less than 1%, we also do it without including any kind of bubble wrap or packaging peanuts or unnecessary plastic of any kind. And that's not because we're lazy. We've actually spent a lot of time, energy, and money fine-tuning our packaging to make sure we can reliably ship our prints without burdening the earth with thousands of pounds of plastic every year. But just how durable is our packaging? Well, we've got Jackson in the parking lot to start us off with the truck test.
Thanks, Paul. I have a medium print here and I'm gonna run it over with this truck. Looks great. Back to you, Paul.
Well, that's just fantastic. And for transparency, I believe that truck had rear-wheel drive and was driven over standard asphalt. But now let's go to Christina for the drop test.
Thanks, Paul. For this test, we're going to use one of our classic size glass prints, and we're going to drop it from this ladder and see how it does. And that looks great. What do you think, Paul?
Looks great to me too. Full disclosure, that package dropped a total of 13.5 feet and did not in fact reach terminal velocity. But now let's tee up our final test outside with Tyler.
Thanks a lot, Paul. I got with me a small fracture print, a baseball bat, and a baseball tee. I'm about to hit a home run. Let's go check that out. Looks good to me, Paul. Back to you.
Thanks, Tyler. It's worth noting that Tyler had a Little League batting average of .342, so that print did not get off easy. Here's the long and short of it. For a company that ships glass all over the world without using any packaging peanuts or extra plastic, we do a pretty darn good job. But things happen. Nothing's perfect. And for some cases where your package is mishandled, just get in touch with our friendly support team. We'll make sure a new print ends up in your hands right away. If you have any more questions about our packaging, you can email us at support@fractureme.com.